Did you ever ask yourself the question, are we more connected than ever, or lonelier than we've ever been? This Thursday evening, July 10th, 2025 at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on YouTube, the Your Life Matters Show podcast takes on the powerful topic of relationships from family and friendship to romance and everything in between. In a time when digital likes often replace real connection, we're asking the deeper questions. Why are so many people feeling isolated? What does a healthy relationship actually look like in today's world? Can therapy truly repair broken connections? How can we help educate and protect our teens? This episode will cover relationships involving adults, teens, and even the sexual issues we face today in our relationships. We will help guide you in knowing what to watch for, when to seek help, or when to just call it quits. Join your hosts Steve Hodgson and licensed psychotherapist Dr. Eric L. Davis as they dig into the stats, the struggles, and the solutions that could help you reconnect with others, and it all starts with yourself. Remember to tune in Thursday exclusively on YouTube. The link for the live show will be in the comment section. Remember, your story matters, your relationships matters, and above all, your life matters. Hope to see you for the premiere